The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Running a little bit behind here. Give me 1 second as I try to figure out what the heck it is I'm doing. Morning, Matt. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Okay. Know where I'm at now. Good. Okay. So, anyway. Let me just change that P&L up there. I had a great Asia session last night. Starting the morning out up $805. Absolutely wonderful Asia session. How was your weekend, Matt? I guess I talked to you Saturday, so. How was your Sunday, Matt? Yeah, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades last night. 1-4, lost 1. 2 of the trades I did with 2 contracts, and I took one off, I let one run, and both of those ended up being over $300 trades last night. Nice night. Now we try to add to that today. Let's look at the markets overnight. We're on the Z contract now. December contract. I've rolled everything, and I'll tell you about the horror of my mistake of my roll here in a bit. Anyway, so NQ gapped up because of the roll right at the open. We closed 669 and opened at 702, gapped up all at 755, came down. NQ closed that gap, then went back up. Our high for today is 774, and our low has been 648. About 130 points of range. Copper, nice little range up. Nice little move up. About 200 ticks of range. Gold, same kind of move. About 18 points of range. UltraBond, also the same kind of move. Everything made the same kind of move. But over a point in range. Crude oil. Down, 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 up, 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 up. And about a little over, I'm sorry, 2 points of range. And last but not least, natural gas, which I forgot to move the yellow lines for. Yeah, maybe I did. I was close. About 160 ticks of range. Bitcoin blowing up for those following crypto. Everyone thought Bitcoin was dead, and all of a sudden it came alive on Friday big time, back up over 22,000. So here's NQ trying to pop back up. Nice little curl down, curl up, curl down, curl up. Still below this moving average on the Bollinger, so we'll wait on that. So anyway, as all of you know, I'm here messing around with algos, or just automated strats on NinjaTrader, and I rolled all my test strats, but I also rolled the one that an account that mattered, not the Tostep, obviously. Tostep's on Tradovate, not on NinjaTrader, but one of the other accounts that matter. But when I rolled it, I kind of like set the algo to the big. I've been running the micros on that account, and I kind of set it to the big one, and it blew the max loss because it set it to 3 of 3 regular NQs instead of 3 micro NQs. So oopsie on that. I'll get that reset sometime today. Excuse me, Jose. Excuse me. For money? Yes, Zach. 1222, the Z contract. Give me 1 second here. Trying to ban someone from running the trade. Okay, I did. Good, good, good. There we go. I'm watching NQ kind of curl up. Only if you're sending invites for WhatsApp groups. I mean, in NinjaTrader it says 1222, so if that's where you're looking, I mean, it's, so yeah, they don't, I'm not sure they show the, let me look, I don't think they show the letter. No, they don't show the letter, so, yeah, as long as it says 1222, you're good. Sorry, I didn't mean to make things more confusing. How was your weekend for money, Robin? That's right. So we did rise up here. I was kind of messing around elsewhere. This would have been potentially a good trigger. So, up and down. Right now, we seem to be, you know, an indecisive period. Remember tomorrow, CPI report. That would be the big news of the week, I think. I think it's the only big news this week, but I don't. Oh wait, I guess CPI tomorrow, PPI Wednesday. So I think both of those can be quite interesting. I don't think we have anything major today, but let me look. I haven't looked into it in depth, but I saw a headline last night that the United States could be facing a rail strike. That's not going to help the whole inflation and supply chain issues if that happens. But I didn't really read much into it yet. I mean, we have like no news today at all. No news at all today. But tomorrow, CPI. Wednesday, PPI. Thursday, probably something else that ends in I. Well, actually, Thursday we have U.S. retail sales. That doesn't end in I. So it's going to be a fun week. Absolutely fun week. By the way, Tostep's running a sale today, 35% off. Get your Tostep account. Give it Tostep a try. Join me as I continuing to try and pass Tostep. And we just, things kind of sideways right now. So today could be a slower day because of all the news coming up this week. We'll see. Last night didn't move around a lot, but it moved around enough that I took the trades to get me what I needed. We'll look back on that since there's nothing going on here. You can see where my trades were. I actually took one early before stream for a quick $100 win. Hey, DN, how you doing? Quick $100 win there. Then I kind of ignored it. And this was the first one after the stream started. Took that trigger down. I only went for 5 points. This is I missed. Obviously the bigger move. This was my one loss. So it wasn't on a trigger candle. It was a mistake. And then I took this move here. No. Yeah, then I took this one for another win. Then here. Enter this here off that trigger candle. Followed it up. Almost shook me out here. I was ready to quickly close it, but I said, nope, we're going to continue on. Cashed out one there, and then cashed out my runner here. Excuse me. And then the last trade of the night was here. Took that trigger candle, went down with this, out with one here, and then got out on that one here. So the trades were pretty quick, all within like 5 or 6 minutes. And 2 nice runners there. It was a good night. I was gonna take this. This was after this. I ended this stream. No, I was watching this. I saw this spike up. I should have taken this trigger candle. I didn't because of the way it was rubbing against these bands. Then I saw this spike up, and I thought that's a reversal. And I held, and I saw a couple more green candles, but yeah, it was a reversal. And I should have taken it down, or would have been another nice move. And then it just got ugly ugly here, and then I kind of just ignored it the rest of the night. Mainly watching the algos play with it. Until I went to bed. This would have been beautiful here overnight. And then we're here. So, this trigger candle I should have taken. But I was talking about... Oh no, I was banning someone on Discord, that's right. So you can see here, nice move up, beautiful. The only thing it was below that moving average. I'm trying to use that as a filter. But this one wasn't. That would have been another decent trigger candle. So. My cat's saying hello. So while we watch and wait for our next opportunity, I'm going to eat my breakfast that's in front of me. I guess it'd be weird if my breakfast was behind me. I was trying to eat it. So I'm going to mute so you don't have to listen to me chew. Those of you following my Sharevision saga, I am still continuing to stream there because they did finally pay me. I was surprised when I woke up on Saturday morning and saw a notification that my money was on the way. So I will continue to stream there Sunday through Thursday evenings for the Asia session at 7:45. I hope you'll join me there. If you like to trade Asia or you like to just watch people trade Asia, I actually have 6 straight green Asia sessions, and I've been giving it back then during the morning sessions. So we're going to try and end that little issue today. If you're enjoying the content here today, please make sure you hit that like button, thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Continuing to grow the channel. So let's see here. Gold's trying to rise up. This has been a good move here on gold, but I was sleeping. Hate that sleeping stuff. I gotta really stop it. It's becoming way too addicting. Morning, Dakota. How's it going today? How was your weekend? And Q's is continuing to do a little bit of a rise up here, but not far. Remember, our high of the day is 774. I'm doing very good, thank you. Broke my keto carnivore diet for my birthday weekend, so I'm gonna have a little bit of a carb hangover for this week, but should be all right. Oh yeah, it is. I admit when I have a few carbs now and then I overdo it. But I'll be now going hardcore carnivore till Thanksgiving, and I'll relax for a few weeks during the holiday season. "100% disagree, Zach. 100% disagree. This is my lifestyle. The keto diet is the only thing that saved my life 3 years ago. Or I would be talking to you while being dead now." Well, you've been on it for 32 years, but you're saying it's terrible. If I hadn't been on keto 3 years ago and I had my infection, I probably would have died. Have you eliminated all seed oils from your diet? Usually seed oils is what's responsible for joint issues. Trading in nutrition today. Omega-6s are terrible. We're watching NQ continuing to rise up, making me wish I had taken that trade instead of banning that person on the Discord. I want to just let them back so I can ban them again because of that. I'm looking at the data and the science, and I just don't agree with you, Zach. Yeah, I don't go with fads. Absolutely not. I look at what the science is saying. I read a lot of the medical jargon that does come out from the research, and some doctors I trust. And I believe low carb ketovore is the proper human diet. But I don't want to cause any major. We stay pretty well controversy free here on this channel, so I don't want to rub anyone the wrong way. I don't want to get into disagreements with anybody. You're one person, though, Zach. I like you, but you're one person. That's not data. That's just one person. When I got my infection 3 years ago and lost my leg, doctors told me right out that if I hadn't been doing keto and taking the supplements that I had been taking, that I would probably have died. And for doctors to say that, because a lot of doctors, they're starting to come around, but a lot of doctors aren't real hip on the keto yet, but they actually came right out and said that. Sounds like it might be a issue with celiac, though. Then perhaps the celiac issue. That would be my first thing: is how does keto or this kind of diet and what else are they eating affect celiac patients? That'd be the first thing I would look at if I was a data scientist. All I know is when I eat carbs, I get racing heartbeats. Um, if I'm eating carbs for more than a few days, I start getting chest pains. Um, I am dozing off every evening, which is terrible because I stream in the evenings, so that's a really big issue. And just I feel absolutely horrible. Okay. Ah. So continuing to watch this rise up. If anyone knows Haley Kutch, tell her that because of her I missed this trade. Yep. And see, I've had similar to what Matt has. Uh, I'm maintaining my blood sugar with no meds, and that's after being a type 2 diabetic for over 20 years. And I'm a food addict. That my problem is that I binge eat and I'm you know a food addict. So I gotta. If the other problem is if I eat carbs, it's like a total. I can't. It's very hard for me to stop. I mean, it's hard for me to stop too if it's meat, but it's easier with that. Hey, Frankie, weekend was good. Now, I will say this. From the research I'm seeing, it is best to cycle every now and then so your pancreas doesn't forget how um, to process carbs. So I do try to do that. Yep, exactly. And those darn seed oils, you think when you think high fat, low carb, or whatever, you think well oils should be okay, but seed oils just omega sixes destroy. But I don't want to keep going on that because I don't want to. I don't want YouTube to flag my content because I'm trading and not able to quickly find stuff to back up my argument. We are pulling back here, just a tad. Another little candle there could indicate a reversal. Hit 761, pulling back to 751 now. Technically sending a trigger, but I don't like where it's at. I just don't like it, Sam. I am. So technically the trigger there, we'll watch this. Might get in if it decides to stay red on this next candle, or goes back to red on this next candle. Sure, shoot. Go ahead and go for it, Frankie. I can't find my chart. Where's my chart? There it is. Yep. Try to pop back up here maybe. Let's see. Yep. Taking the short here. With a stop down to that recent high. I have not. Thinking might be waiting for that big change to happen. I don't know. I gotta check with my guy at Tostep and find out what's going on with that. Nice move here. Well, by nice move, this is all 3 points, so getting overly excited. Popping right back up. Gotta watch that. Back to break even. See if this comes back up above that EMA here. If it does, then we might just cut it real short. Giving it room to work. All right, Frankie. Kind of playing around here at 747. It's better than playing with a 747. Nice. There we go. I like that direction. Good morning, CBR. A little bit sideways here, but still liking the direction it looks like it wants to go. Zoom in a little bit there. There we go. Nope. Maybe a bear flag. Maybe. Nice. There's a nice move down. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to get out there. It's fluctuating. So I got out with looks like a 9.79, 39 tick win. We are now up $1,006 on the day. Wish I'd done 2 contracts on that, because I have a feeling it's going to continue to go down. But I saw the fluctuation here. You can see it gave half that candle back. Hey, Rod. So 5 for 6 if you include Asia now for $1,006. That was a $195 trade there. Oh yeah. How could I forget to do this? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yep, I should have stayed in, obviously. Well, I mean, it hasn't gone that much further so far. But maybe I've not, obviously. Thank you, Rod. Yes, let me go get that link while I'm trying to not get upset by the fact that I got out too early. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So along with my excess carbs comes brain fog, where I stare at the screen and wonder what the heck I was just doing. But I don't know. I'm up $1,000. 5 of 6 trading. Maybe I need more carbs when I'm trading. I don't know. Here's the anchor. Oops, didn't really. Didn't copy the link. Yay. There we go. Copy link. Copy link. Ah, I copied ID, that link. There we go. Anchor FM link. And copy link address, the Spotify link, and if you go other places for your podcasts, I'm sure you can find it. But yeah, me and CFT had a friendly debate, which I obviously won, about micros and charts. And that only went down 5 more points. So I'm happy with where I got out. It was a fun time on Friday. And I'm obviously just kidding about that. I obviously won. I think we both made great points. And it was a good time. And reminder that tomorrow's CPI report, for those longtime viewers, you remember that that's the report that I did my new strat on, made $5,800 and had to give $4,600 of it back because there's a consistency rule on the account that I was on at that time. So you can see the volatility that's involved there. PPI report on Wednesday, so lots of fun coming up this week. Hope you'll all join me as I trade that. Probably not doing the whole news thing. For one thing, I can't really. It's harder to do on Tradovate because I don't have an automated strat. I gotta quickly just try and jump in with orders, and I'm a slow ox. No Mr. G this morning yet. No baby fish. Oh, now it popped up and nice move back down. It's been a while since I've been up $1,000 in a day, so try not to give that back, but I'm not going to quit trading here either. Candle down here, 10 points. So everything else doing. Gold still rising up. Beautiful trigger right there. Boom. Again, sleeping. Sleep ruins a lot of my trades for me. What's the algos doing? Huh? Algos are looking good. They started off bad, but they've recovered. How's your algo looking, Matt? Ah, about that. We were thinking the same thing at the same time there, Matt. So, yeah, I have I have some that are green and some that are red, but I'm running like 20 different tests. Mine definitely did not get into one at the same time yours did. I don't think. Maybe it did. I don't know. I'm confused. Hey, Black Beauty. How's crude oil this morning? Scriptwriter was singing your praises about your thoughts on Bitcoin from last week. He was talking about it last night on the Discord. Scriptwriter? I think that's just what he goes by on here as well. I don't know. Let me find the comment real quick. As Bitcoin fall, Bitcoin. Yeah, now I say Bitcoin. As NQ falls. Then he said that gun lady on your channel, and you're the only person I could think of that was a gun lady, was right about BTC. I should have listened when she told us to buy around 18K for a trade. I remember he said something to you last week too, on here, I believe. So I figured that's who who he was talking about. Continuing to grind down here. I got out of 38. It's going an additional 18 points, but eh. Well, he admitted you were right, so there you go. Wow, nice. So we're watching here as NQ continues to fall. Not afraid of falling because I can't get off the ground. See, if I had gotten 2 contracts there to start with, I would have got out with 1 and tried to just follow this down to the rest. That's okay. That's okay. Oh yeah, UB. I forgot UB just opened. I gotta start remembering that UB opened. Although it doesn't look like a real exciting open. But nice job, Dakota. Very nice. I do have UB on the right contract, right? December? No. Wait, no. Hold on. 1 minute. Oh wait. Am I looking at the wrong? Okay, there we go. There's a move down. I have no idea. Is that on the 149.80.30, Matt? That strat for me. Now, gotta remember, I have been running it since last night's open. It's up 1290. Look at the stats on it. Yeah, looking now. That don't make sense. Hold on. Right, now I'm totally confused. Still watching this come down. Sorry about that. Hold on. Oh, that's why I'm screwing. That's why I forgot to add today. Haha. Oh god, I got a song stuck in my head. Also screwed something up here. Watching this grind down. Sorry, I'm playing with the algo. We're heading toward 12,700. Nice to back. Good morning. Well, great job, Trade Golf. Yeah, those required minimum days can be a pain, but it's always a nice feeling that all you need to do is open and close a micro real quick. It's a great job. Congratulations. Morning, Mail Gossip. Welcome. Hello, the wire. Yeah, 50% win rate can be okay depending on your risk to reward. That algo that I'm testing that did so well last week, that only had like a 43% win rate, but almost 2 to 1 reward to risk. And keep continuing to grind down here. Oh, okay. I didn't. Okay, I got you. Yeah, don't mess it up. Yeah, see, I could never get used to that. Um, I've tried that in the past. The whole scalping. I tell myself, yeah, quickly get out here. Get what I can, which probably would work because I noticed, so many times I'm like, oh, look at this move down. Wow. So we're continuing to fall. So since this trigger candle, we have fallen about 60 points. Wow. But yeah, and like I see my trades oftentimes would go, 4 or 5 points. I'm like, get out, get out. Then I'm thinking, well, one trade could wipe out the last two or three, and I'm like, eh. Nice job, Zach. Good morning, Kiran. A little bit of a bounce there. Have a great day, Zach. Nice bounce here. Back up by about 10. Still would have been an absolutely beautiful trade if I would have just let it ride, obviously. So if you include Asia, I'm 5 for 6, up $1,006. Still early in the morning. Got a few hours of trade yet. 2.5 hours of the stream probably. continuing. Excuse me 1 second. So, kind of just sitting sideways. It's hard to do. It's very uncomfortable usually when you sit sideways. Of course, it's better than upside down. Here's me rambling again. I'm a rambling man. I'm a rambling man. Made a lot of stops all over the world. We're kind of just hanging out here now. Trying to come back up a little bit, but not fast. Anything else having fun here? That to the side. Crude, a little bit of a move up. Crude desk energies open in about 25 minutes. Gold sideways-ish after that nice move up. UltraBond, so beautiful move down that someone started catching a little bit ago. Dakota, I think it was. That's 7 ticks off the trigger. Copper's all over the place. Subscriber number just went up. It did not tell me who subscribed. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to the herd. I see. Okay, I know I'm gonna mess up this name. Navkatan, 1965. Subscribed about an hour ago. Welcome. If you're still here, please feel free to say hello in the chat and correct me about how bad I just butchered your name. Because I'm sure I just butchered your name. See, NQ has come back up to about its EMA, 20 EMA. Should have 2 EMAs on there. The red line's a 30 EMA. I think. Yep, today's the last day as well for the Tostep, 35% off sale. I still don't know when they're going to announce the big change. Hoping it's soon because I'm tired of saying that there's a big change coming. There's NQ coming up. It technically gave me a trigger there. CL going strong. Yes, it is. Nice pop up there by about 50 ticks over the last, oh no, even 50 ticks on this candle. Wow, big boom here on crude. NQ projected back down. UB shorted 31. Wow, nice, Dakota. Very nice. Oh, crude up a bunch. Is there some sort of crude news? Crude news. Eh. Mr. G's posting on Twitter that he's working on his own stuff. Not seeing any news on crude. NQ gold dropping. NQ just playing around its EMA here. Nice job, Dakota. NQ's just kind of kicking it here, just sitting at 706. It's an interesting area. You see it kind of consolidated in the same area, sideways-ish, and then whooshed down and then rebounded. You definitely got that UB down, Dakota. Anyone else taking trades this morning yet? Watching here. 30-minute actually sent me a trigger on the downside on NQ. Interesting. As did the 15, but didn't like that 15. Very good job, Robin. Excellent. All my algos are pretty quiet right now. That'd be nice, wouldn't it, Rod? Trade together. ZB. Not sure I'm on the right contract on ZB. There's ZB. 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. Yeah, it's continuous contract in front. It's doing almost the same thing that UB is doing. With a nice trigger candle there. Boom, 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 boom. Right now, the treasuries are heading downwards. Making new lows of the day. And Q popping up. No, popping down. I don't know what it's doing. It's sideways. This is where I don't get in at all. It's below the EMA, but it's above the moving average on the RSI. So conflicting. I shall wait. Crude got up to 88.48 there. So, looking at the crude chart, this is crude on the 15-minute. Been a great signal there when I was sleeping. But anyway, almost thinking usually at when crude desk opens or energy desk opens, they often do the opposite of what the move of Europe was, at least for the start. So I'm wondering if we're going to come down, if it's going to sell off some there at the open. We'll watch. We shall watch. Okay. Frankie? Anyone has a problem with the gas prices, blame Frankie. No, I'm kidding. I know, Frankie. I'm just joking around. Watching this come down a bit. Everything's kind of taking a breath here for a bit. Oh. Nice, Frankie. Boy, you've come a long way since we first started talking a couple months ago. Frankie, you're doing wonderful. Morning, Crypticon. How are you doing? Crypticon, I almost matched your total last night after you left. I finished Asia up 805. Gold dipped down, trying to come back up. Dip down, everybody look what's going round. Nice. Yeah, I forgot to even set to look at that. I was running late this morning. Ooh, that's a trigger candle. Well, that's a trigger candle right there, folks. So I missed it already by point and a half, 2 points, 3 points. Both a point and a half. Let's see if it breaks that 30. If it breaks the 30, yeah, there it goes. Taking the long. How late did I get in? It's only 3.5 points. That's all. Hits that band, pulls back a little bit. Oh, I understand, Frankie. It's a tough go. Like I said, it's been it's nice seeing your progress. I love seeing people have success. I'm out here. Took a quick 4.5 point scalp, I guess you would call. Why did I get out that quick? I see how these bands are kind of enveloping this price action. They might push them up, but I'd rather take that quick win there. 90 bucks, I think it was. And now up one. Nah, it wasn't 90. It was about 85. 1,093 on the day. But see the pullback there. Yeah, I'll take a look at that then, Crypticon. Like I said, I was like, oh, actually, I was just waking, 6 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, I wasn't up then anyway. Until I find a way to stop this sleeping stuff, I'm going to continue to lose out on opportunities. No, I'm kidding. Kinda. This might continue to go up. You can see how it is trying to push up here, but I was comfortable kind of where I got out. I don't know. Probably should have stayed in. We'll see. Let's see if it goes 10 points. That's where I still got to improve. Either having the confidence to do two contracts or having the confidence to stay in for more than a quick win. The other thing would have been having a confidence in my trigger candle there to begin with, because I could have got in 3 points earlier. It's kind of maybe flagging. We'll see if this flags. 6 flags. This is a great trading adventure. A should be here soon, so should RJ, I assume. CBR, are you still here? Are you trading this morning? I remember you were up well last night. Pulling back here a bit. 8 minutes to the top of the hour. Watching. First yawn to escape my mouth today. Took 90 minutes. Hey. Yeah. Gold's made a new daily high since we started. Pull back a bit. Silver with a nice move up there on the hourly. Beautiful. Beautiful silver. Silver and gold. We're only about 2 months away from you all hearing me sing Christmas songs on a regular basis. Just kind of watching. Good morning, Andrew. So where did you end up on that trade on Friday? I don't remember if you told us. I just remember you got into that trade. And you were up like 20 points at the time. Nice job, CBR. Give me 1 minute. Sorry about that. I'm back, guys. Apologies. We do see that this kind of was flagging. We're seeing if it's going to head up. This would have given me, looks like it would have given me 10 points. It would have. So it's definitely a great trigger. So like definitely good progress there, CBR. Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm doing. So it's not going real fast. Just a couple minutes to the top of the hour. Let's see how we are gonna do then. 30 minutes from the bell or so, a little over. We're hanging out. hanging, hanging, or just a swinging. See what the energies do here as their desk opens here in a minute. UltraBond came down when its market opened. There it is, the top of the hour. Yeah, and as Nightbot just reminded, every evening I am on Sharevision. 7:45 Eastern Time to trade the Asia session. Do that for about 2.5 hours. Sharevision's trying to become the YouTube of finance, their startup company. I'll continue to do that over there as they pay me to stream. So come join me if you like to trade Asia, or if you just like watching people trade Asia. See a pullback here. That's an interesting pullback too. And Q coming down here. Let me find my chart. I keep losing my chart. They pay me. I woke up Saturday morning to a notification that the money was on the way. Oh, I'm short here. So they came through. Crypticon, I had me and CFT were on the Just Swinging It podcast on Friday, debating charts and micros. He hates both. I told him why he was wrong. I can post that link again here in a few after I'm out of this trade. Good morning, Ace. How was your weekend? Nice move down here. Glad to hear it. Yep, this looks like it might curl back up on me. Let's see. We're watching. Stop is about 10 points. You're not going to join me in this short, Ace? Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm not sure about it either. Acting like it wants to curl. Yep. There's the curl. Don't what, Frankie? Yep, we're on Z contracts. Out of this trade. Took the loss. 9.59 on the day now. First loss of the morning. If that pops back down, I should have waited, I have a feeling. Popping back up. It's another trigger candle, but I don't like it. Yes, Ace, that's right. What's your entry point, Kieran? So I cut that short, which was worked well. Once it broke back above that EMA. Nice little V shape there. Uh-oh. Okay. Kieran, you're on the still on the September contract. You should roll. Most people have rolled. You're gonna have very little volume on the September contract. You should be on December. I mean, it's up to you. You don't have to roll, but most volume is gonna now be on the December contract. December, not September. December. I absolutely whipped him. No, I mean it was a good friendly debate. It's up. He has it posted to the podcast, so it's available for you to listen to, Ace. It was a good fun debate. Yeah, remind everyone that contracts pretty much rolled over the weekend onto the December contract, the Z contract. Podcast? Well, I'm confused at your question, Ace. It's just swinging it. Yeah, podcast. Okay. I've seen everybody pretty much had switched over, so I actually assumed that uh, September would be have less volume now. Maybe I'm wrong. I didn't actually compare. Sideways, sideways. So I was wrong about Crude. Crude did go up a little further. Frankie so far has been right there. Okay. That's pretty cool. I hate these. And the thing is, it's still going to be split tomorrow for CPI. People are still going to be between the two. It's going to make the book thin. I really wish the CME would just say this is the date the rule happens instead of this where it's spread out. Could you? Is it possible to eliminate roll with futures? I mean, I know you couldn't with definitely commodities. Could you with indices? I don't know. Because you're not actually. I mean, you know. So we are 20 minutes into the bell. On the morning, I'm 1 for 1. I'm sorry, 1 for 2. 2 for. I don't remember now. 2 for 3. That's it. I was 4 for 5 on the Asia session, so we're up $959 on the day. Yes, they are. I've seen that. Good job on your ticks, Ace. This was a bad trade for me to take. I should have never taken it. It was just a dip, and I misread it. The bands were still uptrending. Yeah. It's going to happen. Pulling back again, though. Sure, Frankie will scream not to take a short here. What's everything else doing? Doing all right, getting good grades. Future's so bright. Gotta wear shades. Good morning, RJ. Welcome. So, for those of you who weren't here earlier when I announced it, and that have been following my Sharevision saga, Sharevision came through and paid me. I was surprised to find an announcement in my email on Saturday that money was on the way. So Sharevision actually did come through and pay. Now they still have a problem where their views are not counting right. Like last night it said there were 9 people watching and I only had 3 views. So in order to get paid, I need like 30 views per video. So if anyone's bored and wants to go over and through my July and August videos in Sharevision and give them some quick views, I would appreciate that. Actually, I have a list of like 20 of them that still need more views because their view counter's not working right. Rising up here. I got out a little early there, Ace. Yep, nice move up here. Just hit 730. High of Globex 774. July and August. So I should have taken this as a trigger candle back up when it stopped me out earlier. You can see this here. Not sure why I'm sounding nasal there. Boom, 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 boom. Nice 10, 15 point move up there. This trigger candle, actually, I mean, that would have been a good trigger. Well, I did take that. That's right. Never mind. I'm an idiot. I was late. I could have stayed in through that. I got in at 13. It dipped down to 7. So it wouldn't have dipped me out. It could have been all one move, but I'm paying bills. That Sharevision money that I just got will cover next month's rent. So that's why I want to get July and August finished off so I can send in those invoices. I'm glad they came through because obviously Sharevision's nice and lucrative. I know it's not going to last forever. There's no way they're going to continue to give what they're giving because I mean they gave me $40 of stream compared to right now I'm getting about $3 a day on YouTube, which I'm not complaining about. You know, I'm definitely not complaining. Every little bit helps until I get this trading thing down. But yeah. So watch, we are about 12 minutes until the bell. Absolutely, and I definitely appreciate that, Ace. You've helped me on a few trades. RJ's helped me, and Frankie's helped, and Mr. G. Well, he's not here today. Definitely gonna get this. It's getting closer and closer. Up. See, the subscriber number went up yet again. So whoever you are, welcome. Thank you for joining the herd. Hard to believe, that quick burst to 1,000 subscribers has just kind of continued. We're up to 1,055 now. Crypticon's been making some nice calls as well in the evenings. I'm actually, the last 6 Asia sessions, I'm green. I've been giving back during the New York sessions and what I've been gaining in Asia. Good morning, Burl. Burl was the very partial referee to the CFT versus Ox debate on Friday. I'm up $950, so it's pretty good. Although most of that's from Asia. James, yes, we flipped. We're totally flipped out. But yeah, I'm trading December now. Back to December. What's the UltraBond doing? UltraBond Z? Not a lot of movement today of the UltraBond. Gold down, up, down. Crude kind of level. BTC still rising up. I missed a nice trade on lean hogs on Friday. Nice job, Andrew. Thank you, Crypticon. Just so you know, it just takes 30 seconds to count as a view. So you don't need to watch them all. Well, thank you. Or watch the whole thing. Thank you very much. They definitely need to get their view counter fixed at Sharevision. Because the weird thing is, if the stream disconnects and reconnects, then it recounts everybody as a view. And then those videos end up with way more than normal. It's just weird. But yeah, all my videos over there don't have the right amount of views. As this, like last night I was watching, 9 people watching, and it said I had 3 views. What's Crude doing? Crude. So, Black Beauty, Frankie said Crude's going to 90. Do you agree? Oh yeah, 8 minutes is definitely enough. Rod, I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. No matter what CFT says about y'all. Yeah. Gonna chop it as we head into the bell. uh, uh. I have no idea how. It's somehow I've gotten up to 145 followers there too. And it's like I don't really promote it that much. I mean, I promote it here. That's it. I'm only 115 people. I'm only 115 followers behind the #1 channel. So let's get on that, people. No kidding. No, Burl, they pay me. So I'm staying on Sharevision. I was shocked to wake up on Saturday morning and looked in my email and saw that the money was on the way. Ace was just kidding around because I did get paid. Now I just need some more views because their views aren't counting right. So I need some more views on videos from July and August so I can send in my invoices for there. Oh wow, thanks, Rod. Choppy price actions. We head into the bell. We're less than 2 minutes away. Choppy. Chop. Chop makes traders drop. No idea which way we're going. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. I always share. We're about to hear the ring-a-ding-dong. Ding, 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 ding. Up and down. Everybody look what's going round. I hear the train a-coming. It's indecisive as it has been for the last 15 minutes. Down 7 points. Oh, wow, not doing anything right now. ES is slightly green. NQ is slightly green. Oh, there we go. There was a burst. UltraBond's coming down, down, down. In a burning ring of equities. No, treasuries. 5-minute chart, real quick. You can see it hasn't really not gone. It's gone 3 points. We're just absolutely just burning it up here. Long wick. Long down wick, I mean. Not the most exciting open so far. Oh, well, now we're getting a rise. Totally forget the number there. I should start writing this down. Frankie called out a number earlier. I don't remember what it was. Like I said, carb-induced brain fog. So now we're getting an upward momentum. We're up 25 points on the 5-minute candle. Nice strong candles that I expect to reverse here in the next minute or so. $774 was the Globex high. We've reached 759 here. Every morning is a great morning. This is me trying to find this new positivity vibe. Good luck, Ace. Up, ES is up about 5 points. AQ pulling back just a bit here. Taking a short, maybe a mistake. Did not break down like I thought, out quick. Just a quick 3-point loss there. Thought I should stop trying those reversal plays. Nice job on... No, wait, I'm not sure. Did you get 2 points yet, Ace? Not sure where you got in at. I won't do that stupid reversal thing again. Oh, nice. Either I looked late or we have a little bit of a delay here. If I was right about the reversal, I just didn't stay in long enough. I got in at 55 and it just dropped. Yeah, I was right about the reversal. I just didn't have enough conviction to stay in it. Look at that drop. I hate that. So we just dropped 15 points. I was 100% right about that reversal, but I just didn't have enough conviction to stay in it. And at 55, I could have got 15 points off of that. Yep. See, I am so mad at myself for getting out and not holding that, because I would have only took 5 points of heat before this beautiful drop. There's a 20-point drop. Bouncing off the EMA, did not break the EMA, which is good because we're running out of spare EMAs. All these broken EMAs, hard to recycle too. UltraBond continues to move downward. Big trouble in Little China. Watching, waiting. So I've stayed out except for that reversal play that I called and then didn't have the conviction to actually do anything with. Watch what we're doing here. Looks like we might want to go short. I'm short because I sneezed and pressed the button when I sneezed. Oops. I normally would have wanted to wait till this candle was done, so I think I'm gonna take a loss here because of a sneeze. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Maybe. Nope. Wow. Talk about ouch. Up, down, left, right. Hanging here. Stops above that last candle. Well, at the top of that last candle. But it's coming up for it. Darn, I'd stopped out. So the sneeze cost me. Down to 686 on the day. So now I am now below what I had at Asia. Once again. We'll watch. I am not going long right now. It's still below the moving average on the RSI. So I cost myself on that trade. I could have gotten a beautiful trade there, and here I sneezed. Yeah, longs. Now that is a trigger candle back up long, but I just don't like it right now. It's working though. That one would have worked. This one did not work, obviously. Color change on that. Blue. Blue for sadness when it loses. Uh, Mine's added to the last time I showed you the total, Matt. 1635 now, Matt. My copper's not doing well though. Oh wow. So yep, Kieran was right about the long. My sneeze really hurt me there. Seriously. Beautiful move up, heading toward the stratosphere. I mean, I did just take a loss, Matt. A full stop out, but it took a win since a full win since I last showed you. So we're heading upwards. We finally found direction. Up, down, up. I should have taken the long back up, and I didn't. Just the same thing I did wrong back earlier. Nice. Nice, Kieran. Good job. Nice, Andrew. Good job. So both times I did try to go short, I was wrong. I should have listened to Frankie. Oh, that looks like a reversal candle there, but we'll wait. I'm not gonna try that again. Just kind of pause in here. 770. Wait, 779 is where it hit. What did I say was our earlier high? 774. So kind of in that same area where we're humming and hauling right now is the Globex high. It's got to try and burst through there. So kind of sticking here, waiting. What's everything else doing? Gold heading down. Nice move down. Crude got to 88.74. It's pulled back to under 88. So when I said that might be reversal, I was kind of right. Would have got it at 70, back down to 60, 10 points. Nope, coming back up. How are we all doing out there? Waiting here until I see another opportunity. And we watch. Downward move on hogs. I don't know why I'm watching hogs. Just for something to do. Something to do. Crude trying to maybe round back up. UltraBond, nice bounce there. Trigger candle would have been pretty good there. Ooh, look at natural gas rise. Wow, that's a 160 tick candle. And I actually gave a really nice clean trigger candle earlier. Rise up and be counted. Natural gas, rise up. Great job, Andrew. Have a nice nap. Always nice to see you. Thanks for stopping in. You're welcome. Thank you for being here. Yep. Just hit another new morning since open high of 12,782. And we're now just kind of in this consolidation phase. I'm going to call it a phase. Good day for energies. What's agriculture doing? Agriculture is all confused as well, it looks like. That was a $200 sneeze. So now we're just kind of waiting here for our next chance at something. Remember, a lot of trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. It's kind of like Yep, there's another move up. Frankie made a call of 800 something, and I don't remember what it was. I really need to write this stuff down. Frankie, too far back. Y'all talk a lot. 833 is what Frankie said. So it'll be interesting to see where we get to. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, Dakota. You're still green for the day? So we're watching here. Well, nice job getting yourself out of that hole. Definitely a positive as well. Good, Dakota. There haven't been a straightforward morning, but it looks like it's heading up. 787, 790 is where we're at now. Remember, we have CPI tomorrow, inflation. How hot is inflation still? We will find out tomorrow and see what the market does. And then on Wednesday, PPI, which is the other marker of inflation. Ooh, wow, boom. We just broke 800 here. We have not been 800 since August 26th. So another great call by Frankie. RJ, you've been really quiet today. So since this, okay, I got stopped out trying that short. Since that long, look at this. It's about 65 points. That was a long signal back up, and this is where I sometimes struggle. I get stopped out and don't think about the fact that it could be a move back the other way. You better chop around. Beautiful move up. Absolutely wonderfully beautiful. So that was my mistake, is trying to think short there. Long was it. Good. I figured it would, but still hate this roll stuff. Rolling, rolling, rolling. 35% off today, James. Other than that, they have not yet given me a date on the big change. I might need to contact him. I'm still supposed to have an interview with Michael Patak as far as I'm aware, but I have not heard back on that either. Yes, they are. And we're kind of settling out here. Hit a high of 817. That 2 out of the last 3 candles. Are we flagging again? That's the question. Flagging, flagging, flagging. Flagman. Flagman, flagman. See how the algo's doing. So, and pull back. Just slightly. Oops. By 11 points. Gold trying to curl up. Does a nice little move there on gold on the 5 minute. 740 down to 734. So it's been nice. I do always hate a violent index. So we're watching. Copper moving up nicely. A second, the inside of my ear is itching. Q-tip deployed. That was fixed. How we doing, guys? So how hot do you think inflation will be tomorrow, guys? I forget what, I think last month was 8 point something. I don't remember. Think we're coming down? I think we are. But now we have more FUD coming up with this possible rail strike. Do a quick search on that. Well, NQ's trying to decide what it wants to do. September 16th could be when the rail strike starts. It could bring 30% of the nation's freight to a grinding halt. So that should be fun. That's a good point. A little bit of a dip. It's below that moving average, but trying to figure out what it wants to do here. We have about an hour left on the stream. I'd like to find another couple good trades or two. Good trades or two. Good English. I speak good. I'm just kind of watching here. What are we going to do? Looks like it does want to come down. So is 1823 our high? I mean, that's very close to Frankie's call of 1833. Yeah. 12.823. Very close to Frankie's call of 33. Another run up. Well, back up to 823 again. Up, up, up. Not afraid of heights. We're sitting here now. 23 looking for something. That crude trial and then come back down. Came up again. So yeah. Slight adjustment from Frankie from 33 to 41. Just kind of watching. Just hanging here, looking for something. UltraBond is very, I don't know, UltraBond doesn't have any oomph today. What's up with the treasuries? CFT must be just sitting there doing nothing. So 826 is the high of the day on NQ. ES Still trying to grind up. Crude did come down nicely there. I could have grabbed a quick scalp. But I'm not good at this whole scalping thing. All the algos are even quiet right now. Tests. It's kind of impressive. You know, as you know, I'm testing automated strats in NinjaTrader that's based off of my, my strategy that, Matt wrote the script. And, one of the tests that I'm running finished up $11,500 last week in one contract. And that one I thought might be struggling last night. It started off bad. But it's recovered nicely. It's up $605 on the day. That's even after losing 5 trades in a row. Which you didn't do in all last week. The most it lost in a row last week was 4. So it dipped down, but it's done well since. It's kind of hanging here, waiting. Anything y'all want to talk about? Move crude down slightly. See if anything's going on in the Discord. One's got so quiet. Very quiet. I'm hunting NQ. Be very quiet. Our bands are squeezing or contracting. They're closing in. Getting very tight. Gold bounced off its EMA. Don't know if I like this here. Band's at 96. It's at 06. Technically a trigger candle, but squeezy. Looks kind of like a sea monster. Whoa, big purple eye. So it's sitting right there. It's technically a trigger. Got 5 seconds to go. I don't know if I like it here though. It's hanging right on that line, and okay, it helped me make my decision by heading back up there. Could be trying to bounce. Also, another reminder, a week from Wednesday, September 21st, is our next FOMC. We'll be doing an extended stream that day, 7:30 a.m. until 3 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll stream all day and trade up to the FOMC and the reaction to the FOMC. Hope you join me for some or all of that. I believe our next overnight stream will be October 7th. That'll be our non-farm payrolls day. Remember this Friday with options and contracts expiring and all, it's a so-called quad witching. It can sometimes cause some weird price action. So this was a bounce here. Let's see if it gets back above that moving average on the RSI. Back above 826. Frankie still wants 835 to 841. And what Frankie wants, Frankie gets. Sometimes. Anything else? Doing anything exciting? Gold's not. Market's just oomphless right now. No oomphalumpus. Oop, copper coming down. That's a nice signal in copper. I don't have a copper chart ready, I don't think, though. It's a nice move there. Whoops. Give me a second here. I screwed something up. There we go. Sorry about that. Yep, there's 831. You taking that short there? Ooh, nice. Yeah, UltraBond came to life. NQ up to 833. There's that original call by Frankie, and Frankie has just been excellent. Ace and RJ are both quiet. So up 686 on the day, looking for another trade. Not sure we're gonna get it, but man, we still got 40 minutes here. Nice job, Dakota. And another little burst up here. I considered taking this long. Unfortunately, I did not. Good job, RJ. Yep, this is definitely a beautiful move up here. Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. About 100 points off of that last trigger candle. Yeah, it's slightly under 100. At least our next rollover won't happen until we're baking Christmas cookies and singing Christmas carols. Crypticon? What? No, Russell? Oh. Great job, Crypticon. So, until this comes down, I don't have a play. I don't have a play. Gold with a nice candle up there kind of intrigues me. Up, down, up. I mean, down, up, down, up. Let's pull back though on this candle. We'll see. It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. And Q. Oh, whoa. That was a quick pullback. That candle just dropped. Tickled the EMA. And popped. Back up. Back up, back up, back up. Sideball now. Well, it's kind of still looking like something. Did that count as peanut butter? Sitting here waiting. A nice move down there on the UltraBond, but they didn't really give me an indication that it wanted to give me a nice move down there on the UltraBond. A good pickup by Dakota. Another try at upness. Upness, yeah. I blame the carbs. Watching 33, 34. There's Ace. I thought he got lost. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. I forgot we're back in that breakfast routine. Pulling back here again. So 4 straight candles. We got up to 36, 36, 36. Oh, then pull back a bit, and now up to 38. Another pullback. So it's struggling to get higher. Now, imagining Ace doing the dance from Risky Business. Let's take those old records off the shelf. Have a great one, Frankie. That's not as much fun to imagine, though. Trigger candle. I like it. I'm late on it, though, as usual. It's kind of playing there. Oh, back up. uh, if I would run, I would die. If you see me running, you better be running too, because that means there's something chasing me that's really, really scary. Up move, or down up down move here. 30 seconds on this candle. 3-hour run. Yep, that create more problems. Like, can EMS find me? It's teasing me here. It's teasing me, but continues to rise up here. uh, by the way, Ace, you're no longer the only one that's breaking body parts of our group. John DeFore came on the stream last night, told us he broke his arm playing hockey this weekend. Short here. Maybe a mistake. We'll see. He's getting it set today and casted. This may have been a mistake. I should have waited. Great job, Crypticon. Yeah, his golf game's done for the year. Probably shouldn't have taken this. Yeah, I'm definitely regretting it. Nice, Crypticon. Yep, it's gonna stop me out. No, maybe not. Nice, Dakota. Back down. Yeah, looky here. Will it come down further? That's the question. It's a question we all have to ask ourselves. Remember, folks, if you want to join Crypticon and myself and others as we trade the Asia session, we do it every night on Sharevision, 7:45 Eastern Time. Come join us and just watch us chat. It's slower, so there's more time to just chat and discuss strategy or baseball or whatever we decide to discuss. Over on Sharevision, Nightbot just posted the link in the chat. NQ's trying to torture me here. I do think it wants to come down. But heck, I've been wrong before. That's it. Part of me is screaming to get out because this band is still slightly uptrending. Maybe I should, but trying to give it a little bit. Yeah, maybe. Oh, there we go. The band's now bending. Bend it like Beckham. There we go. It's rewarding me for my patience. Maybe. Wow, really? So watching. Wow. Are you kidding me? It looks like oh, wow. Ouch. I went from being 140 up to 160 down. See if this comes back down. So let's see. Did not get back above this candle here. Got up to 830. This one got up to 830. So 830, 3 candles in a row. Well, not in a row, but 3 candles here. So let's see if it pushes back down. We are kind of gravitating around this area. Okay, we're coming back down. That was me not panicking too much besides that slight scream I let out. There's another nice move down. If I was in on 2 contracts, I would probably take one off, but I'm not in on 2 contracts. So let's see if it gets back down below that little candle wick there, that wick down, and then burst back up at 808. It is at 811, 812 right here. There we go. That's 808 again. Can't break through there, I'll cut it. $8.10, $8.13. My entry point is $8.17. If I should have cut it. But I feel like we're seeing slightly lower highs. Back down to 812. Nope. Back up to 814. What happens on this next candle? What a grind. Say 10 again. Struggling to get through there. Gonna break it. Saw 808. Again. There's 808, 807. There we go. There's a break. 807. Nope, not following through yet. 806. 806, 805, 805. There we go. That's what I was looking for, the break. We're stopped to just above break even, and we'll try and follow this down if it continues down. Keep my finger on the trigger in case it's popped back up. There we go, there we go. Stop above this last candle, just in case it bursts back up. Looking to see if this is our breakdown. That 1030 reversal that RJ and others often talk about. Nice. We would stop to the top of this candle. That locks in 9 points. Doesn't seem like enough. Try and give it a little bit of room here to continue moving down. No real support here that I see. Next candle. Or stop at the top of that candle. Now locking in 19 points. Yep, looks like it might get hit. We did. We're out. $380 win, I believe. We're now at 1,068 on the day. So, patience, and that was the difference between last week and this week. You didn't see I did not move my stop at all until after it reached a certain point. I held in there, was willing to take the full loss if it came back and bit me. Thank you, Crypticon. Thank you, Dakota. Thank you, James. I entered here, and I questioned it right away as it came right back on me, but then we got this candle back down, consolidated. Again, I questioned whether I should have got out there as it popped back up, then it popped back down, and now we got out there finally. Any of these trigger, technically this was the first trigger candle, and any of them on the downside would have worked. Why did I go short? Because it was giving me trigger candles up and down. We were below this moving average on the RSI, and that's what kept telling me short. Plus, at the time when I entered, we were still well above, toward the top of the RSI. You can see I did get out at the right time. I mean, obviously it pulled back some on me, but short here. I used a 15-point stop, which obviously would have been a $300 loss if I had taken a full stop. But though everything was telling me, move the stop back to above this candle once it came down. I'm like, eh. And if I had though, I might have got stopped out when it wicked up on me there. Pulling back to the EMA. Thank you, Warren. Hey, Warren, haven't seen you in a while. How are you doing? And nice bounce here. So hit a low of 790, popped all the way back up to 800. No, I'm sorry, 810. So 20-point pop. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. So about 15 minutes left on the stream unless more excitement happens. That was nice. You see gold's not really going anywhere. Crude's pulling back. Yep. 1030-ish reversal. Thank you there, RJ. Bouncing off that EMA and coming back down. Thought about taking it there, but... Trying to head back up. Bouncing there. I'll get that alert off that screen in a minute. So 5 out of 6 green candles. They definitely got out. It seems like it wants to come back up. It's technically sending a trigger there. I'm still below the moving average there. So we'll wait on that for show. For show. For show. Hang in there. To the 5-minute, we're still above the EMA. With every time frame besides the 1, we're above the EMA. Now we're trying to get back above the 1 here. Interesting. I don't know. Don't know if I like it. Still, it's downward trending on the moving average on the RSI. I think I'm just gonna watch this one. Yep, right back down. So glad I didn't fall for that trigger. Maybe this might be a down, up, down, up move. Staying above the moving average, or it's trying to. Nope. Back down. Maybe. We'll see. I'm probably not going to take another trade today. Being up $1,000, good way to start the week. Still have a goal to pass Tostep this week. At least step 1. I'll need $5,600 more. Probably start doing 2 to 3 contracts on the Asia session. Trying to get more of what I got last night. Or I could be like Crypticon and do a dozen. Actually, the max I could do is 10. It's coming down, broke through the. It's technically another trigger candle here. Yawn. Sorry about the yawn, guys. Did not mean the yawn in everybody's ear. Oh, up, down, back up. Strong candle back up. Think I would like throw up if I had 18 contracts on one trade. Be like projectile vomiting. Yep, right back down at wick. That wick was an excellent wick to tell me to go short there. Of course I didn't, but that would have been a nice trade. Sellers rushed in there. And I don't mean Peter Sellers. He's an actor. I don't remember where he acted of. What shows. I could look, but it's not that important. But it would have worked. It would have worked. I mean, let's see where it goes. Let's see if it goes at least 15. Thank you, RJ. I don't think I've ever watched any of those movies, so I don't even know why I know him. Did it? Did it? Ooh. Pink Panther was a weird cartoon. back up. Back up, back up. N-A-T-A-E and the war into the G. Just what I thought was. So good morning, good day. I mean, I've only added about 250 bucks to the total. I started off from Asia's total last night at 805. Still, good day, good day, good day. My losses are stupid. A couple of short dips that I should have never taken. Look back through the markets. Gold had a good day. Copper had a decent day, but kind of giving it up. UltraBond was down then up. Crude oil got up to 89. Natural gas continues to rise. Yep, so that would have gave me my 15 plus. So, You'd see here, just following my triggers I should be good to go. But sometimes I don't follow them, sometimes I do. So guys, now that we finish up today, I know Dakota's up on the day, Cryptocon's up, RJ's up, Ace is up and running. Frankie never really says if he enters trades, he just gives numbers. James was up after digging himself out of a hole. Andrew did good. Kieran did good. I'm assuming Black Beauty did good since she says it's a beautiful day for trading. Nice, nice. So I think we're gonna call it here for the day. I have a feeling it's gonna continue down. I don't know. We'll see. But ending the day up what did I say? $1,068. That's a great day. If I could do that every day, I'll be golden. Literally, cover myself in gold. No. Anyway, I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Remember, Sharevision tonight if you want to join me there, 7:45 Eastern Time. And back here tomorrow morning for the CPI report. Should be an exciting morning. I hope you'll join me for that. Oh, wow, I did? Awesome. That's because you were just taking it easy today, not doing like your 1,000 contracts per trade. So have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we'll talk this evening or tomorrow. Oh, hey, CFT. Yep. I've been telling them, CFT, I told them how I, you know, set you straight on Friday, and that they should go watch, or, I mean, listen. So. Have a. Yeah, I noticed by your tweet. Ah, I saw that tweet. What am I waiting for, Crypticon? Oh, you had to beat me. No, that's fine. I'm glad to hear that, Crypticon. I wish I had stayed in this trade longer, or actually, I wish I had gotten in this trade. That's right. This all could have been all part of that, but yeah, I wish I had gotten in this trade. This has come down 40 points since my trigger. Nice, Crypticon. So up 1,068 on the day. I'm happy there. And we will be back starting Asia tonight. I'm going to start off with 2 contracts and try and continue adding to this and get this top step done this week. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we shall talk next time. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'll love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r/oxmarkettrading. Have a great day.